Well, hello and welcome back to yet another incredible video. And today I am doing my Halloween edition where I bring you guys some really cool stuff that we can use for our Halloween entertaining. These are budget finds. I'm using Dollar Tree items. Let's go. Okay, you guys. Well, these DIYs are going to be pretty quick and easy, and they are also going to be budget friendly because I'm using mostly items from the Dollar Tree. I'm not going to do a lot of chit chat because they're that easy, but if you have any questions, make sure to put them in the comments. So here's a little hack, you guys. I always put a clean cup, like one that I am not DIYing, inside of the DIY cup. This way I don't have to try to wash it or whatever, and the cup that I put in is as clean as it came out of the package. Just a little thing I do, especially if I'm putting candy or something like that in there and I don't want to ruin my DIY. So I love every last one of these. And I'm just setting the scene with, again, some basic items I was able to get from the Dollar Tree. Their little creepy cloth, these little spiders, their little tea lights. We're just doing it big, right? This is the sort of thing that's going to separate your party. I like to think. But let me know in the comments if you guys do a Halloween party and if you like the way that these DIYs turned out. Well, as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you celebrate, I hope that you have a happy Halloween. Also, choose to subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, know that you can come back, hang out, and be okay with us.